Legislative Assembly elections were held in Manipur from 28 February to 5 March 2022 in two phases to elect 60 members of the Manipur Legislative Assembly. The results declared on 10 March 2022. The tenure of Manipur Legislative Assembly is scheduled to end on 19 March 2022. The previous assembly elections were held in March 2017. After the election, coalition of Bharatiya Janata Party, National People's Party, Naga People's Front and Lok Janshakti Party formed the state government, with N. Biren Singh becoming chief minister. The election schedule was announced by the Election Commission of India on 8 January 2022. However, the election dates were postponed from 27 February to 28 February for Phase 1 and 3 March to 5 March for Phase 2. The Election Commission banned the media from publishing exit polls between 7 a.m. on 10 February 2022 and 6:30 p.m. on 7 March 2022. Violation of the directive would be punishable with 2 years of imprisonment. Accordingly, the exit polls below were published in the evening of 7 March. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.